let's try a GoldRain indicator and then place some trade if there was in 1 hour time frame. Hello my friend, how is going on? Your host Colin comes over here. If you subscribe to my channel and activate the bell, you wouldn't miss my future videos all about Forex and tools and websites and indicators I use, helping me to trade, and then you would know about the results, whether they were helpful or not. So let's look at the TradingView and then see if we have any opportunity that this indicator tells us, and as well as I also opened some trades from yesterday, because obviously 1 hour time frame is a high, it's actually high time frame, meaning I wouldn't have frequently buy or sell signal popping up. That's why I opened some trades earlier, like showed an trades earlier, but I would take some live trades now and then leave it for a couple of hours and then do the second part of this video, so you would see the accuracy and power of this indicator. So let's see what we have here. I'm gonna actually go to Euro because I checked earlier and then I found some live examples in Euro. If I go to Euro, I saw some sell somewhere. I think Euro JPY, yeah, okay. So in Euro JPY, let me just check what direction we're going to. So it shows in a 4 hour time frame is going down. It's going down, a bit of resistance with the buyers, but we can see it's going down. Even if I go to daily, I could see, yeah, it's going down. So we're gonna go back to 1 hour time frame where we had this sell signal, and then just place our where it says sell. So we've got sell, we've got stop loss, and then we don't have any take profit as our goal. I just want to place it and just aim for here, because we see we have a kind of swing low here as well. If I just target there, and then that's going to give me around 2.82 as my risk reward ratio, as I just keep it as like this. That's 30 stop loss. But if I go exactly with what it says to me, so that's 129.03 as my stop loss. 129.03, 129.03. That's the stop loss the indicator is giving me. So we're gonna go with that. But yeah, let's see what will happen. So Euro JPY, let's go to here, Euro JPY. So we're gonna be realistic currently, so we're gonna just put it on 3. So Euro JPY 129.29, what was it, 129 0327 032, that's it. So we're gonna aim for sell, but we have no take profit, as I said. That's that one. Where else I sell? Let's check guys, let's check. You see some of them I just went with the momentum kind of changing with red dot, or going downward, or with green dot going upward, showing the momentum and the trend to change toward whatever side it shows. In this case, it shows going down, and then I just place the trade, just slowly relying on this red dot here. And as a decay, you see guys, here I received this signals around 7 p.m. yesterday. Yeah, today is 9th. You see 7 p.m. yesterday, and then it says buy. Let's go and then place this buy here. NZD cat, which is not too late to place it. As I said, 1 hour time frame is really time consuming, so I have to rely on whatever I had from yesterday as well. You see, even here we have a buy signal, and that clearly gives me everything here, guys. So even if I just take this all the way here, it's not really moved a lot. And then here as well I have take profit. This is based on 50 pips, guys, so I can change things over here as well. Let's say if I say, okay, I define 100 pips, so it's gonna give me accordingly whatever would be my taking profit. Obviously 100 pips is not very achievable all the time, but 50 pips is way better. 50 pips is way better to achieve. So this is based on 50 pips. Now since I thought I can just copy paste these numbers and these numbers, but I won't do that. But I just go NZD CAD. I'm gonna put it back on 1 hour time frame. Let me see. Yeah, NZD CAD buy, and wait, what's stop loss? So our stop loss is 0.0855 0.855 0.855 0.8555, and we're gonna buy. That's that one. So what else we can have right here? NZD-JPY. Well, we don't have anything here. And USD-JPY. On USD-JPY we have this sell signal here. Let me check what is going on in higher time frame. We got this red candle in 1 day time frame. We got this candle going down. So I do go and then place this sell signal here. I mean sell trade. It's right on top of the pullback. I can see it's going up really, but we've got the sell signal on top of it, meaning we are in a pullback, which should be a great sell signal. So USD-JPY. Let's go back to USD-JPY. USD-JPY. So we don't need this one. USD here. So we're gonna look for a sell signal with what stop loss we have: 113, 89, 90, 113, 89, 90, 113, 89, 9. So we're gonna sell, and that's that one. And what else? USD. So a lot of USD setups. Okay, USD CAD over here. We can see we have a buy signal here, like buy signal. Let me check 4 hours, and yeah, 4 hours going up. And then let me check daily. Daily shows we actually got a pressure of buyers pushing the price up while it's in a red candle, because it's a white outline around the candle. So I do say I would place the buy here. So if I go to 1 hour time frame, be so buy signal generator just around this level, so it hasn't moved a lot really, so that means we still can place our buy signal here, buy trade here, and then the sell is 1.2619 USD CAD. Let's find USD CAD and then try to place our trade. So the stop loss was 1.261 1.261 1.26197. This is our stop loss. This is for buy, guys. Stop loss buy and USD CAD. That's that one. And let's go. Let's take this down because, as I said, I don't know how far it's gonna go, but usually inside the mentorship program and the videos, I checked. They say, actually, Sitan says, aim for 50 pips. In most cases, it's gonna hit, and then in most cases, I saw. Look at this, guys. It passes way behind 50 pips. And let's check USD NZD. And as you see, guys, this was placed. I'm not placing whatever I had from yesterday. I just show them here. Look, guys, I went with sell signal here, and then it's how many pips from yesterday. So if I show it from 5 p.m. yesterday all the way, 7s, all the way to 9s, 7s is in 62 pips. Yeah, so let's check the other pairs as well. Remember, guys, this is my first part of this video, and then I would pause it for a couple of hours, let those trades run, and then we will see the outcome for the day as day trader here as well, guys. So this, I opened at 2 p.m. yesterday, and actually just opened. I mean, I didn't put it. I didn't place those trades, these trades, most of these trades on inside the MT4. I just open them here to see how far and then how accurate it's gonna really go. So I opened it here, and then you see we are in. So actually kind of pulled back for 25, but it went all the way to 41 pips. Yeah, and then with gold we don't have anything really here. I just opened this as I had this green dot. With gold is a bit different. With silver, okay, with silver. So silver, based on weekly weekly analysis, I ended up saying, okay, it's gonna go down, and then from 12 noon yesterday till time to this time now is in 140 pips, if I'm right. 140 pips. This is with gold, silver, with 50 pips stop loss. And US 30. This is again from 6, guys. From 6, we've got this buy signal, and then it's all the way here. UK 100 again. UK 100 from 6:11 a.m. Opened it. Haven't got any buy or sell signals along the way, so I just leave these trades to run to see how far they're gonna go, unless I get something otherwise, like if my trade was long, and then if I had any red dot or sell signal, that's where I would consider, you know, closing my trade. US tech, nothing here. So again, from 6th of December, opened the trade, and then it's still going on around here. So you see my stop loss didn't hit, and it's still going on. So I came, actually pulled back and then carried on. Let's go back to AUD USD, guys, because I had a bunch of, you know, trade inside the trading view open as well for AUD pair. So from 6th of December, why I'm showing these guys, because we have to, you know, let the winning trades run as long as the trend goes. Yeah, that's why I'm showing these to you guys. I know they're past, like I opened them a few days ago, but then that's the point, because it's like 1 hour time frame, it's long time to wait. You have to be really patient. It's hard, honestly. I found this patient the hardest obstacle in front of me, personally myself. So you have to practice and then be great and patient to, you know, smash big, you know, big money in trading. So again, I opened the 6th of December, 1 p.m. and so far is in what, 154 pips. Check AUD CAD. Okay, wait, AUD CAD, guys. Yesterday we had this buy signal, so actually could come which comes here. So I would have opened it here, and actually I opened it, but I didn't. I kind of, you know, deleted to show you guys the actual you know, buy signal here. So we're still here. We still can open it, guys, because we still, if I look at the previous points price where I could see price could potentially go up to this level. So we place a buy signal here, buy trade here, and then I'm actually gonna go to MP4 and then just place it. So well, let's do the ratio is small, 1.3. So let's try it. I'm not gonna put the you know, target. I just want to place a stop loss. So our stop loss for this one would be as 0.9046. 0.9046 AUD CAD. AUD CAD. If I find it. Yes, I found it, and we're gonna go. Even here we see we had a buy signal. What was it? 90.45. 90.45. 90.45 2. And that was buy, wasn't it? So we're going long on this one. Let's check the other pairs. You see, guys, again, another buy signal here generated 8 days ago on 6, and we are in 129. And this one as well, buy signal here, guys. This is 1 hour time for me. I have to be really patient, guys. And 157 so far. 100. Let's be really accurate and say where exactly price is. 146 pips. AUCHF, AUD, JPY. Wait, AUD, JPY. Actually, let's take it to the current point of the price. 190 pips. So I opened this trade on 6 again, guys. In 3 days. It reached around 190 pips, guys. CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY. So we see CAD JPY got a sell signal, which is which actually we're in the area and actually around the actual sell signal. So let me check the 4 hour first. Okay. Let me check daily then. And I can see buyers are trying to push the price up. Sellers don't let. I'm actually pushing against them, and I'm pushing it down. So we're gonna rely on 4-hour time frame as well, 3-hour time frame, and go back to 1-hour time frame where we have the signal. Actually, we just missed, and we still can go short, and then I'm gonna go short here anyway. And stop loss is 90, 265. CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Let's find it. CAD JPY. Yeah, CAD JPY. 90. What was it? 90. 265. 902651. 92651. 92651. 2651, and then we go short. So remember, guys, I'm trying to be realistic with the lot sizes. I'm not doing 100 or 200 lot sizes, 300 lot sizes. It's 3 lot size, because some of you guys might say, oh, I'm just taking piss or whatever, you know, not being realistic, because that's the point behind demo. You want to mimic things as if it was like live account anyway, or let's say a firm account. Okay, we're gonna go short. Let's see what will happen with this one as well. And CHF JPY. So with CHF JPY, we don't have anything here, but again on 7s, I had this open with 38 stop loss, 30 pips stop loss, and then you see based on this buy signal, we were around 60, 65, 66 pips, and then prices came in kind of, you know, either pulling back or going down. Really, we don't know. So I'm just gonna leave this, but I'm showing you we had a buy signal here days ago. I opened it and I left it run till now, and then got the profit. CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF. I see we kinda have, or we're around the buy sell signal area now. So we had sell signal generated a few hours ago, but price is in consolidation here. We see prices, you know, bouncing around this area, up and down, up and down. Let me check 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, we can see the consolidation again, but in daily time frame, price is going up, guys. So for this one, I'm not gonna place the sell, or shall I just do it? Because we clearly know, and we clearly see price in daily time frame is going up, and then it was in a green candle, but then here we see we can see this you know, sell signal. I just open it, I just place it, let's say just or under this zone. If it closes below this zone, let's say if it was let's say sell limit, then that could, you know, happen. But I'm not going to do that, because I'm not really, you know, keen to, you know, buy limit or sell limit or sell stop or buy stop. I just go and then execute the trade, whether to buy or sell. I just leave this if it was, you know, closing below this, you know, zone, going down, because we had this sell signal, and then it will be possible, you know, going short here, because basically I'm saying I'm not sure whether to take it, because this says go down, and then in daily time frame we see price is in a green candle going up. Okay, so that's about that one. You see, you're not gonna place every trade you see every possible let's say opportunity you see. You're not forced to do so. CAD CHF here again. Wait, Great British Pound pairs, guys. So Great British Pound pair, this works nice, this indicator, and well, it's a profitable pair. So Great British Pound pairs are really profitable. So here we had this sell signal generated on 6, on 3 p.m. and then I had 86 as stop loss, 86 pips, and is in around around 300 pips. We call it 360 pips, guys. And let's check Great British Pound CAD. Great British Pound CAD. We just had a buy signal here. So let me check the other time frames. So in 4-hour time frame, price is not really going anywhere. That's about daily time frame. So daily time frame, sellers trying to push, buyers having a lot of resistance, trying to push it up. So that could be possible, buy. I'm just gonna have it again as an option, because we can see price is not really going anywhere, just bouncing around this area again. Same thing happens here as well, guys, just around this area. So we're gonna leave it. If it was, let's say if some candle close outside this zone, then I would consider buying. It would be more confirmed decision actually going long, because we had this buy signal telling us, okay, go long here. But when I just see a clear consolidation, price is shaping over here, actually shaped. You can see price bouncing around this zone, inside this zone. So that's that one, Great British Pound CHF. And we don't have anything here, but again, if I go back to yesterday, to sevens, from sevens inside, actually we had this sell signal, and then I placed it where 26 stop loss, pips of stop loss, and then you see it's already, so actually was 102 pips, and then it's going up, and then 74 pips. That's that one. Great British Pound JPY. Great British Pound JPY. Let me check 4-hour time frame, and let me check daily time frame, and then we go back to 1-hour time frame. And then, as you see, guys, we have a sell signal here, sell. So actually I had this open, but then I deleted it, and I deleted it. So if I do it again, you see whatever stop loss it gives us, 150. I'm not placing this as well, guys. Remember, not forced to place all these inside the MT4, just showing what this can do, this indicator. 150, and I had this open like this, like similar to most of the other ones. Just had, let's say, the trade open here, not placing inside the MT4. 150, 9432. 150, 9432. You see how safe it will be? This safe. This is the stop loss, 94. So your stop loss would be here, guys, 94.3. That's your stop loss, 60 pips of stop loss, and this is a trade. It's gonna go down. and this that wait, Great British Pound JPY, Great British Pound NZD. Again on 7th I opened it, sell signal, and in a couple of days is around 200 pips. And Great British Pound USD, again this I opened it yesterday. Yeah, we have a sell signal here, you see, sell signal, and then a stop loss based on just me just placing it is 35 pips. But then with what he says, you're gonna end up with bigger stop loss, 3 to 18. Yeah, based on what the indicator says, your stop loss is gonna be way wider and bigger. Yeah, this is the trade for that one. Great British Pound USD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD. I did only go with the green dot, guys, so there is no actual buy or sell signal around here. You see, a part of this was passed obviously from here. Price actual indicator didn't generate any buy or sell signal, just went with the green dot. And Euro NZD, Euro CHF, with Euro CHF again, I think yesterday. So yesterday we had this buy signal here, so I went long with almost 15 pips stop loss, and then it's in profit but let's see what will happen with that one as well. So remember, guys, in a few hours time I'm gonna check the trades and then give you an update on the trade, guys. So Euro CHF, Euro GBP, and with Euro GBP we don't have anything here, but again yesterday I opened it, buy signal we have, so it went the right way and got to 70 pips, and then now is pulling back and it's around 50 pips. Yeah, you see most of the trade cut way beyond 50 pips. But 50 pips is like if you really just want to get in a few hours and get out, kinda day trading style. And Euro AUD again, where was it? Was it yesterday? No, it was on 6. So 6 opened it, and then you see sell signal, clearly sell signal. With what? So this is me like 58 pips stop loss, which it didn't really need that wide anyway, and then got me this much profit. If I just drag it and then see how far it's gonna go. So at this moment it's going kind of sideways, really, not going down. But then again, when I know I'm gonna get out is when I see, let's say in this case, a green dot or a buy signal, then I do close the trade. And EuroCAD, guys, again yesterday I opened this based on this buy signal. We had a buy signal here, you see buy signal here, and then the stop loss was, my stop loss was 70 pips because I wanted to have it slightly below this lowest point over here, kind of low swing low, to be safe. And then it's going, and then it's actually in profit now. This was EuroCAD and Euro JPY. So I think we placed this anyway. So guys, this is the first section of this video. I would pause this video, and then in a couple of hours around afternoon we're gonna check the trades and then see how the how this indicator has done. Hello guys, and let me see how long we left the trades for. So it was around 8, so 8, Two, that's like 4 hours there and 6 hours. So we left the trades for 6 hours. In between, I did place some trades on 15 minutes time frame. This is one of them. So I'm not sure if I put it on inside the MT4 or no, but let's put it on 15 minutes to see how I did it. And obviously, as I said to you, red dot inside the higher time frame has 1 minute, 1 hour time frame is serious. So I have to actually, go with that. So I already, got like 26 pips. And if I go to MT4, I'm gonna show AUD/USD. So AUD/USD, if I have it here or no. I don't think I have, but just that was just placed here, so I didn't place it inside the MT4 AUD/USD. So okay, we don't have that. Let's go to AUD/CAD. So for AUD/CAD, let me see if I have any AUD/CAD. AUD/CAD. So we have AUD/CAD buy. At the moment is minus 90, so it's kind of going up toward our direction where we interested and put our profit. You see the trades, guys. So these three, a part of those without stop loss, they were placed on 50 minutes time frame. Okay, so rest were placed only using 1 hour time frame. And let's check it. So this one is clearly going up, even if I check the hour time frame. So you see clearly is going up because we had initially, remember guys, so either I could enter the trade here, or I just could wait for more confirmation and just wait around and then see if price is really showing a pullback or is a completely change of the trend. In this case was a pullback, and then we will see if it's gonna go high, and which seems it's gonna go high, and how high it's gonna go. So this one was minus $80, and then we'll see what will happen with this one. So let's check one by one, pairs, what is going on. And so what we have, Euro JPY. So if I go to Euro JPY, which is in almost $900, Euro JPY. Okay, let's go with the order of MT4, Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Again, guys, these trades were, if you didn't watch the first part or actually earlier of this video, what I done. So actually, I'm gonna do live trading, but I'm gonna split it in hours or maybe days to see how many pips I get, whether I'm right using the indicator, whether I'm wrong. So overall, you could have an image, have an idea how accurate this indicator is, and then how it's gonna really help your trading. So this one, you see guys, so I went just use hourly time frame, and then in hourly time frame I had this sell signal, which then I kind of took, and then already is in let's see, 43 pips. So depending what lot size you're going to use, obviously your profit is going to be different. But what I said, let's make it really realistic, not too big like crazy, 100 lot size or 50 lot size or 20. Three lot size is really nothing for $50,000 account, which I'll be using it for trader seed, or well, with trader seed I may decrease it to 1.5 or 2 maximum, because it's a bit tricky. Each time I failed, it was over the damn drawdown anyway. So this one is going in our direction, and it's already $900. So let's check the other trade as well. Your NZD CAD. So NZD CAD, I said it's gonna go up, but it's not going up. It's against us for now. NZD CAD. Let's check out NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Well, I said it's gonna go up, didn't I? This trade again was placed by myself. Again, based on 15 minutes time frame, isn't it? Yeah, based on 15 minutes time frame, and we can see, because I think it was around here, so I said it's gonna go up, and I bought this thing. Yeah, bought the pair actually, so it should go up, and then we will see. It seems it's gonna go up. I use this buy signal. And what else was the next trade? Let's see what is the next trade. USD JPY. USD JPY is on in $220. I said sell. USD JPY sell. USD JPY sell. USD JPY sell. So we said it's gonna go down, which actually gone all the way down. Guys, in none of these I trailed my stop loss. How I did it, I opened the trades and then I set the initial stop loss, and then I forgot it till now because I went out, I did gym, actually I spent time with my family, I had some food, and then now I'm back to my computer and I'm checking the trades. That's how actually you could call passive income, whether it's $100, whether it's $100 million. That's the way. Otherwise I could just stick to the screen and then just trail and trail and trail every, let's say, 5 pips or 10 pips. That's how you could, let's say, end up cutting it here. So how many pips? 25 pips, let's say. So we don't know, actually. Very likely it's gonna go all the way down, but with a bit of resistance, with a bit of resistance by buyers. Yeah, so this is in that much profit anyway. Let's check the other trades. So USD JPY, we check that. This one USD CAD is in almost 700. USD CAD, USD CAD. Let's go to USD CAD. You remember earlier we placed these trades live in front of your eyes, and then I said I'm gonna come back to you guys in a few hours and then give you an update how the trades will go. So on this one as well, let me check it down, take it down, guys, so you see how many pips we got. We got almost 40 pips on this one, guys. So depending again how was the volume, was the position size you choose, your profit is going to vary. But for me, with fixed kind of 3 lot size, kind of mimicking the real case scenario of firms and stuff, there's challenges. That's what you can get, like 700 in what? So we placed it here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hours. 8 hours, 700. Yeah. And then it seems continuing all the way higher. I don't know, we don't know how high it's gonna go. But then again, what you can do if you had time, just every, I don't know, 20 minutes or 20 pips or 10 pips or 5 tips. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you could trail your stop loss. So I don't use this in every single trade because it's going to obviously, drag the time of this video even longer. Then now you should really use stop loss, trail a stop loss. So you're going to trail your stop loss along the way as you, let's say, get more profit. You're going to, keep more of that profit in case if, let's say, price dropped or start changing the direction or momentum finish, like couldn't boost it up even higher, so you could expect price dropping. In that case, you should have something stopping you losing a big portion of your profit. That's why we trail our stop loss. So that's that. Let's say USD CAD, AUD CAD. AUD CAD is minus 90. Let's see what is going on with the AUD CAD. AUD CAD, I said what I said. Okay, I said it's gonna go up, yeah. So it seems it's gonna go up, guys. So as we said, we had this buy signal clearly over here. We kind of missed that, and then we wait around to
to see if price is gonna come to the same level, showing us any sign price would go up. And then I actually relied on this and then place my buy trade over here, and then we'll see what will happen with this one. Maybe I wait till tomorrow, guys. I just allow the trades till tomorrow. Then we'll see what will happen. I may put a very kind of halfway stop loss for them to not be those that are in profit to not just be closing down because I'm gonna just leave them overnight. So it's better to have some stop loss in between, let's say, for those with profit, like to leave enough space trade can breeze and actually whether going up or going down, and then in case if trend changed, I could at least end up with some profit. I may do that, but first of all I wanted to show you what is going on with the trades. Going back to the MT4. Yeah, CAD JPY, guys. CAD JPY is in $520. CAD JPY. Let's go back to CAD JPY. Yes, here. So again, trailing stop loss is something you should do. And we said it's gonna go down. We had this sell signal, and then let's say 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, even 3 hours after the sell signal, it still was valid, and then I went short, and then as you see, I'm in profit of $500 something. And let's go to the other trades. What was it? CAD JPY. Okay, so CHF JPY is 120 what? 1,000 almost 1,300, guys. CHF JPY. That's what I want to see. At least 1,000 per trade, guys. That's where real life would make sense. You need money, guys. So, and this one as well, guys. What I did was I entered even before this actual sell signal. What I did, I relied on this red dot. Mainly I do that because I know based on the higher time frame than 1 hour, I know price is heading down. So I just go for it, and then I have my initial stop loss of 18 pips. If it didn't go that way, I would just ending up with losing this many pips. But if it did go my way, I would catch up way more profit than you see. This one is one of the 1,000 1,000 trades after today. Yeah, so this is that one, and obviously risk reward ratio would vary how far it's going to go down or how far it's going to go up if it was a buy trade. Let's go to what else. So we checked that. AUD JPY is 346. Again, these guys, I placed them the last 4-1 without the stop loss, which is clear, but then I did it based on 15 minutes time frame. So if I go to 15 minutes time frame to see what I actually done, I said it here as well, in 15 minutes based on MT4 sell signal. So what I did, check the multiple time frame, higher time frame, and then they were all red. And plus we had this sell signal way, let's say maybe an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours ago before I entered in this trade, and then I knew it was gonna go down. So I entered here on on 15 minutes and already caught 65 pips. So that's that, and then check the other. So AUD JPY, did we check AUD JPY? I think we did. Let me see. AUD JPY. So back to AUD JPY. What we did over here, guys, obviously price is fluctuating and then came up. Well, I may close this one here because it seems like it might go up. I'm gonna take it seriously. I should have closed it down while it was here, because because this shooting kind of star, candlestick means potential, trend changing. But then we don't know how far it's gonna go anyway. But the safest thing is you be happy with 33 pips and then book your profit here. That's the best way to do. So I don't know, I just put a stop loss somewhere, maybe somewhere here, and then call it done for this trade or whatever. But you got the idea, guys. What I'm doing over here to show you how great and how easy and how accurate this indicator is. So I'm not here to say, oh, I'm gonna make as much as I can. Even on the demo account, when I said, oh, I'm gonna show you how far I'm gonna grow it. It's not actually because it's demo at the end of the day. So most of you guys are gonna actually maybe laugh because they're gonna say, oh, anyone, because the other day one guy called Ali Assad, I don't know what country he's from, it doesn't matter at all, including himself, it doesn't matter, but he was saying, oh, anyone can do anything inside the demo, and then I'm clone or whatever. You want to mention stuff like this, but first of all, it's my channel, and then I do go through things, record my journey, documented, showing up over here, what works, what doesn't work. I review things. So it's my channel. At the end of the day, I do say whatever I want, whatever I think is the right thing to say, I do say. So none of those hater stuff would have or will have any impact whatsoever on my channel. So with that said, obviously, haters like him clearly, waste their time and then actually waste my time as well to reply them to some level. Because if exceeding from some sort of level, I just remove their thing, and then they very likely wouldn't be able to comment anything. Because I don't know, it's just kind of off the topic, but just you get a hater no matter what you do, especially on social media. You cannot please anyone and everyone. Anyway, so that was the point. So point was, I'm gonna treat the demo more realistic, not making million or whatever. That making million was proving and was showing what you can make that much money, obviously based on your account. If it was, let's say, 7-figure or 8-figure, you could do. Doesn't mean anyone can do it or whatever, but I'm saying the power, the potential over there. Obviously risk is involved. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but I'm showing you guys, so I'm more of actor and actually acting guy than just speeching guy and talking. I just show you. You know me. You watch my videos. I always show my failures. I always show my successes. I do show what works for me. I do show what doesn't work for me. I do reveal real face of whatever I go ahead with. Let's say DTX trader. I showed what's the purpose behind the way they do treat traders and funny programs they had, and then that was one of the topic that Ali Assad started defending, and then he tried to be funny. So I said, well, I'm gonna remove your comments from my channel. It's my channel, so none of your stuff would do anything really. You're just wasting your time, mate. Anyway, so going back to this, we were going back to. So again, these 4 last trades were really placed on 50 minutes time frame. So on this one, Great British Pound CHF. Great British Pound CHF, as I said to you, tend to be really profitable, while the overall floating is 120, which doesn't really matter, because as I said to you, this is like, you're gonna treat it like a demo, but I don't treat it like a demo. I do treat it the way I do treat my, let's say, live or my own challenges. I do the same thing, guys, but then with way lower lot size. In this case today, I started, really kind of making everything as realistic as I can, like 3 lot size. So 3 lot size is not that big, it's not that small, but it's a kind of nice fit anyway. Yeah, so let's go back to Great British Pound CHF. Great British Pound CHF. Well, I'm fan of whatever brings me money, guys. That's me. Otherwise, I'm not really interested in any, pound sterling or whatever. Yeah, so based on the rate and exchange rate it has, tends to be most volatile in Forex pairs, so that's why I tend to use it a lot. Great British Pound pairs. So over here, we said this is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah. Based on 1 hour, so I said what I have in 1 hour. Okay, so based on 1 hour, you see guys, based on 1 hour, we said price is gonna go up based on this green dot. Okay, and then when I change it to 15 minutes time frame to see what we have here in 15 minutes time frame, so I saw that dot again, and then I said okay, so that dot means definitely trend is gonna go up. Actually, momentum, this means momentum upward, so it was the same thing. Let me show you guys. So we had a red dot over here, momentum going down. Did it come down? Yeah, it came. And here said go up. Did it go up? Yeah, one candle. One candle counts as well, even one candle. Here said, let me show. So here we had a red dot. Did it come down? It came. So you have to respect, and then you have to rely on it. So that was the case, and then I placed my buy trade here. Wait, stop loss? 22 pips stop loss. We didn't even come closer to it. And at the moment, how many pips we are in? Almost 60 pips, guys. That's what I'm talking about. And followed by an actual buy signal over here. If you check, we have a buy signal over here confirming my decision. So that means just carry running this trade, guys. Simple as that. And then let me go to the last trade. Again, I may put some stop loss for them, or may not, because the purpose over here is just showing you how this trade indicator works. And then I do more videos about showing this indicator in different market conditions, so you guys really know if this is something valuable, helpful for you as a trader or not. Great British Pound AUD, again, these five were placed on 50 minutes time frame. So we kind of tried 1 hour time frame, and then we tried 15 minutes time frame as well. So either way, you're gonna be really making your trading experience simple. So I'm not giving you any guarantee, guys, so get what I'm talking about. I'm saying you definitely gonna have a much easier time trying to trade than not having this indicator. And I don't know how are you gonna put together your own setup, whether using MT4 or TradingView, any other style, any other platform. But then if you use either MT4 or TradingView, you're gonna have really easy time trading using this indicator. I'm telling you guys. Obviously, these videos are proof after proof after proof after proof how great this indicator is, guys. I cannot impress this indicator more than this, guys. Just showing you more videos, that's it. So Great British Pound AUD. Let's go back to Great British Pound AUD. Great British Pound AUD, where are you? Here. Okay. Oh, let me take this back. So here again, what I said, it was on 15 minutes time frame. Did it? Wasn't it? So we have multiple, because I can see the thing. I don't need to say it. Okay, we have double bottom over here. What that means? Potential shift, price go the opposite direction. You see, that's double. So it must be like maybe per each touch at least 2 candles. So we have 2 candles here, touchdown, and then went up, have this curve came down, and then we have multiple candles, touch this, and then right after that, guys, look what we have. Look, that's what I'm talking. This indicator is just amazing. It's just purely price action based. Look, gave me confirmation of price going up. So based on what I had in terms of reading the pattern the right way, so this is double top. Price would definitely go up after a while between. So this confirmed it actually. So we see even Yeah, I opened this trade, buy trade, before this 1 hour before, saying 1, 2, 3, so almost 2 hours before this buy signal. Look, so I opened it here and then buy signal popped up 2 hours later. I actually said, okay, that's it, just carry on riding this trade. So that's what I'm doing, guys. That's what I'm doing. And no, sorry, my bad. Like, this is 15 minutes, so 1, 2, almost 30 minutes, 40 minutes later, we have this buy signal generated, telling me just carry on riding this trade. So at this moment of time, which is here, we are in 37, but at some point reached 70 pips, guys. Yeah, this is purely leaving the trade on its own for a couple of hours. If you watch the trade, you're gonna end up way more profitable, guys, because let's say you set it for 70 pips or 50 pips, you're gonna say, okay, 70 pips, I'm gonna be out. Yeah, so that's that, guys. And then I may make a third part of this video to see how these trades go. Remember, I'm not gonna put any stop loss for these, and then I'm not gonna trail the stop loss for the other ones as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades we have, which is really nice number of trades to judge and then to see whether this indicator does a nice job in terms of accuracy or not, whether it's worth spending money and time using it or no. So with that said, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, and then maybe wait for the third part. So I'm gonna tell you, wait for the third part. Have a nice time, and bye for now.